Yes, I'm going to take your job.
Then he asked me if I wanted to be fully charged.
Girl, no, he did not.
What do you want? Hurry up and buy.
You were too lazy. Stand back. I'll take it from here. Apple.
That's right, Bubbles. That's an apple.
Dude, this might be my best creation yet.
Yeah.
It's a Whittler starving.
I've never seen anything like it. Incredible.
Ouch! Haha, just kidding. I didn't feel a thing.
I can't believe you're here with him.
He is so smart, so strong, and he listens.
Come on, man.
You did the crime, you do the time.
And here it is, my new robot dog.
Your 300,000-word dissertation is now complete and ready to be submitted.
Thank you, Doc. You really put things in perspective for me. I truly owe you one.
Oh, yeah, these are fire, Mama.
Like, comment, subscribe.